you riding your horsey, Daddy? Can you get my hair out of my face?
Do you want to stay on for just a minute? Yay! Oh boy. That's fun. Hooray! You on your horsey?
What do you want, Ella?
Do you want to get down and come chase the kitty?
Maybe Daddy. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Not right now.
Not right now.
Bye-bye. Oh, Daddy, I'm trying to dismount.
I know, I'm trying to help. Good job. Yay! That's your horsey.
Where are you taking him?